What's up guys, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have two beautiful United 737-900ER aircraft by NG models. We have just the standard United Continental livery and then the United Eco Skies livery. Both, as I say, the 737-900ER, I know the box just says 900, but they are the ER variants. I just want to say, NG again, these two models were released back to back. I forget which month, but it was relatively recently, or pretty recently, should I say. And as you can see, it's kind of like a collection video, how the boxes kind of match box art. I think it's really nice. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right on in. We're going to go ahead and start with the just plain standard livery, and we'll do the Eco Skies last. So here we go. Here we have the 737-900ER, just in the regular United Continental livery. Yeah, here's the box, looking really nice. As always, I only picked up one of these aircraft. I know they're still pretty common in terms of this livery and not the Evo Blue livery, but I only picked up one for now, just because I didn't feel the need. I didn't have the money at the time to get any more. I might pick up another one sometime, or if anything, just try and find more Evo Blue ones, or hope for re-release sometime in the future. But anyway, here we have this aircraft. We'll go ahead and pull it out. Looking really nice. Fantastic. All in one piece. And feeling sturdy. Alrighty. I'll adjust the camera here and we'll get right into the detail. Alright guys, so here we have it. United 737-900ER. Plain United Continental livery. So here's the nose, cockpit windows looking really nice. Shape's looking pretty good. Good detail all around the front. The gear, I think it could be a little lower, in my opinion, because I think, the 737s are kind of nose down-ish. I think the gear could be a little lower. But overall, the gear door looks pretty good. Some good details there. As you can see, it says ETOPS 0828, and yeah, some other little details. Got the Star Alliance logo right next to the L1 door there. Some grid detail on the L1 door, and a little sticker right next to it. I'm not sure what that says, but some good detail there nonetheless. We got the United titles. Just kind of moving along. Got the overwing exits, got the antenna at the top there, got the engines, looking really nice, the CFMs, looking really good. Got the splits, looking very nice, if it'll focus. Don't think it's gonna focus. Oh, there it is, perfect, there we go, looking really nice. On the inside, that's what it looks like on that side, but these splits are looking really nice. Wings looking good, no flex. Got the Wi-Fi box in the back here. If it'll focus now on the back to the main body of the aircraft. There we go. So looking very nice, as you can see. Got that emergency exit right there. American flag registration, November 66828, and then you have the very aft door there, and 0828 right there. Got the tail looking really nice. It's kind of shiny, like sort of gold globe, looking very nice. Tail cone and horizontal stabilizers looking really good. Good shape, everything. That little sort of bulge at the bottom right there for the tail strike portion, and then that's also where the tail stand would go, should it need one. It's looking really good there. On this side, everything is the same. Just got the baggage door here at the back of the 900 ER. And then moving forward, you got it here at the front right there. So very nice. Great to see NG had released one of these. Yeah. So great model. We'll just spin her around and go take a look at it there. And we'll put this off to the side. And we'll bring in the beautiful Eco Skies now. So I do have the Gemini Jets version of this, which was released a long time ago now, I'd say, and I decided to pick this one up because it's the NG version. The NG mold is superior to the Gemini Jets mold, and I'm sure their details should be a little sharper than the NG one. And I don't know if I'm going to sell the Gemini Jets one. Honestly, I think at this point, it's probably not going to be worth a whole lot, or not a whole lot of people are going to be looking for it. So I think I'm just going to keep both of them, whatever. But I'll just mainly use this one in any updates, airports in the future, updates in the future, whatnot. I don't think I really ever rotate the Gemini Jets one through. I'll just have it for the collection, you know, to show the look at the comparison of the molds and whatnot in the livery. But anyway, here's the box looking really nice. That sort of green tint and color looking really nice. Just moving around, a standard NG box. You got the back. Very nice. All right. Opening it up. There's a little card. I think the card I think the card's still in the box for the other United. I'll just have to open it up after and get that out. For the 737s, they tend to stay in. Just the cards just are stuck in the box for some reason. They don't come out. But anyway, here's the aircraft looking pretty good. All right, let's open it up and review it. There we go. Very, very nice. Alrighty. Alright, here we have it, guys. The United 737-900ER in Eco Skies. Zoom in here, take a look at it. The overall look. Very, very nice, and we'll get to the details. Alright, cockpit windows looking really nice there. Good detail around the nose cone. The gear height and everything looks a little bit better on this actually than the normal livery one for some reason. It looks shorter and more accurate, which is interesting. I think the gear door is also a little bit longer potentially, but the gear height seems a whole lot more accurate on this one. And I'll just bring in this one if you want to take a look here somehow, if I can show them both. You see how that one looks a little taller as opposed to this one? That's interesting how they're different. Even though they're the same exact mold, it seems that the NG got the gear right on this one and not on the other one. So that's interesting. Excuse me. But overall, this looks great. Got the E-tops. Looks like 042 or 32 right there on the gear door. Got the star lines still go up next to the L1 door. And then just moving on, got United titles, Eco Skies titles. Very, very nice. Some great detail all around there too. Got the antenna at the bottom. Antenna at the top, moving along. The engine's looking really nice as well. The CFMs. There we go. Very nice. Got the splits on this, the green ones, looking really nice. They're just plain. They're in on the inside and the outside, as you can see. So very nice. And yeah, overwing exits, Wi-Fi, another emergency exit, registration 75432, American flag, and that good old Continental tail right there. I wonder if they're ever going to update this and just have the Evo blue tail. I'm sure they're probably going to update this at some point, delivery on this, just like they did with Star Alliance. But anyway, still looks really, really nice. It's very plain white sort of livery because it doesn't have that gray on the bottom, but you got the baggage door on this side, the aft and the forward one. And that's about it for this model. We'll take a look at the underside of this one, and I forgot to show the underside of the other one. So very plain, basic, nothing fancy. The top and the bottom, you got the overwing exit markings on the window, which look really nice. So we'll just put this off to the side. We'll show you the other one, the top, same thing, and the bottom, basic. But that's gonna do it, guys. So we have the two United 737-900ERs. We have the Eco Skies and we have the normal livery, looking really, really nice. Highly recommend these models. Again, you know, NG has done a fantastic job. There's no issues that I can see. The splits are all good. There's no bent wings or missing parts or broken bits. All very good. Great release. Yeah, as I said, and you know, I don't think I'm gonna be selling the Gemini Jets version of it. Of the Eco Skies, I'm just gonna keep it. As for just the normal 900ERs, I wish I did get another one of this livery, this you know, United Continental livery, but I think I'm gonna look for another evil blue one just to build up the fleet a little bit more. But yeah, anyways guys, I think that's going to do it for this video, so I hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more model unboxing videos, planeswalking videos, etc. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care guys. Bye bye.